Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta, Georgia headquarters, and I've got another Cybertruck to go through with you. This one we custom wrapped with Avery Dennison's rugged Marsh green. Now, we've done a lot of wrapping on Cybertrucks. We've done gloss, we've done matte, we've done flip colors, PPF, you name it, we've done it. The thing that's interesting about this is it's a textured wrap. It's got a rugged feel to it. It's actually similar to the ruggedness that you have on the plastic trim around the wheel arches. The ruggedness is a little deeper texture than that. The thing I like about that is it's going to be a little easier to maintain. So we all know gloss vehicles, gloss PPF, gloss wraps, they are amazing when they're clean, but as soon as you drive them, they get dusty, they're prone to getting fingerprints still, and it's a little bit of maintenance to keep them looking amazing. The satin or matte wraps are a lot easier to keep clean because they don't show, any kind of fingerprints or streaks or things like that, but they do show dust. The thing with this rugged material is I think it's going to be one step even easier to keep looking great because it doesn't have that clear and flat place for dust to settle down on it. Time will tell though. This thing is done today. We've got it matched with a pair of our TCT aero wheels, and you're going to notice they're not black. These have been custom finished in our cyber bronze finish, and that cyber bronze really hits with this rugged Marsh green look. I love the little combo and contrast with that cyber bronze, but let us know what you think. Do you like the black wheel or the cyber bronze? I'd love to hear your comments below. And similarly on the wrap, what do you think of this textured wrap? We also have done brushed black metallic, which gives a real cool look, just kind of like a stainless steel, but brushed, and it's a consistent color. This one is a new level. This is just a different look for us. So I like it, but I want to hear what you guys think. Let us know in the comments below. Okay, everybody, thanks again for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, drop a comment below. Come back soon because we've got a lot more custom Cybertrucks coming your way.